So first we are going to create a project in Visual Studio Code. So let's open the Visual Studio Code. And now you can see the welcome page, but I'm going to create from this file icon here. And from this file, and I'm going to create one folder inside this. And let's click on this open folder. And in my inside my desktop folder, I'm going to create a new folder. So let's create a new folder for the Java in VS Code. And after that, select this folder. So I have selected this folder, and I'm going to create the Java file here. Let's give a name to this, like hello dot Java. Click on enter, and the Java file is created. Now, after the Java file creation, you will be able to see here the Java project option inside beside this settings option. And I have drag and drop here. You can also drag and drop from here to here also, but I dragged it to the top. And let's fix this here. And if I click on here, so you can see the Java project name. Java is Java in VS Code here, and that I have created inside my file manager. It is taking as a Java project this folder. So this is the first method to create the Java project, and the second method inside Visual Studio Code is just write create and click on this Java create Java project. And with I'm going with the no build tools, and this is asking for the location where you want to create a Java project. So I'm going to view this location. So now you have to give a project name. So Java project 2, click on enter, and now you can see Java project 2 is created, and you can click on here source file. Inside the source file, you can view the app.java file created by Visual Studio Code, and you can run this program by clicking this button. So we will get the hello world output. So this is about the package, sorry, project creation in Java. And we also can create a package inside this Java project by clicking this new folder icon. So if I create here a folder like new package, and if I click on enter here, then a new package with a name, new package is created. So if I click here inside Java projects, you can see here the new package is created inside this source folder. So if I click on new package and click on plus icon, I can create the class inside this package. So now we are going to create a Java project inside IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So let's start creating the package. So just I'm clicking on this IntelliJ IDEA icon. Now we can see the welcome to IntelliJ IDEA page here, and just click on this new project. Give a name to this project, Java and IJ, and choose the location where you want to store this project on desktop. And I'm going to make a new project here. Let's click on new directory. So Java and IJ IDE. Click on OK and choose the folder that I have just created. Clicking on OK. And if you want to create a Git repository, then check this box. Currently, I am not checking this. I am unchecking this box. And if you want to add the build system, then you can choose the build system. I'm leaving this as it is. So, and you can choose the Java version here from here. And I'm also leaving this as it is. So it is already uh, selected by the IDE. So let's create the Java project here. So what it is saying, white spaces are not allowed here. So just give a underscore. This has a little mistake. So I have corrected this. Let's create the package, sorry, project. Now our Java project inside this IntelliJ IDEA IDE is created. So if I click on main, then I can see here the Java program that is generated by the IDE. And if I click on this run button, it will run the program and we will see the output. Now we can see the output here. Hello and welcome to, sorry, hello and welcome, and some numbers and values are here. So let's close this. And now we will move forward with Eclipse IDE. So just click on this Eclipse IDE icon to open the IDE. And once it will be open, we will start creating our Java project. So this is the welcome page, and I'm going to close this. And here you can see there are multiple options. Now we will create by clicking this file icon. Create on click on new and click on project, and here select the Java project. Click on next and give a name to the project, Java and Eclipse. So and I'm going to choose a different location. So click on browse. Let's uncheck this first, and clicking on desktop. And let's create a new folder for this also. So just write Java and Eclipse. Choose this folder, and this IDE has automatically selected the JDK, and I'm not going to write anything else. So it is automatically settled by this IDE. So just click on next, and again click on next. Sorry, just click on finish. Oh, it's giving the pop-up, so I'm not giving the response to this pop-up. So I'm just closing it. Now our Java program is created. Sorry, Java project is created, and this is the module info.java file. We have to create our main class. We will create the package F1 and click on finish. Inside this F1 package, I'm going to create a class. So give a name to the class. Hello Eclipse. And if you want to add the main method, you can check this box. Click on finish. Now our Java class is created with a main method. We will write our shortcut is not working. So shortcut online hello world. So we'll print the hello world. Let's run this program. So plus first save this program by clicking Control plus A plus button, and just click on right click on the screen and run as Java application. And we are now we can see the output hello world. So this is how we can create the projects and packages and classes inside the multiple IDEs. So now I'm closing this IDE, and thank you for watching this video. Please